In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an A3 size design in Canva. Whether you're working on a school project, designing posters, or need exact sizing for print, knowing how to set custom dimensions is an essential skill. Let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Canva account. On the home page, look for the option that says Custom Size. It's usually at the top right corner where you normally start a new design. Click on it. By default, Canva sets the unit to pixels, which works for digital designs. But since we're aiming for A3 paper size, we need to switch it. Open the drop-down menu next to the size input boxes and change the unit from pixels to centimeters. Now, let's enter the A3 dimensions. In the width field, type 29.7, and in the height field, type 42. These numbers correspond exactly to A3 sizing, 29.7 centimeters wide and 42 centimeters tall. Once both values are entered correctly, click Create New Design. Canva will open up a blank canvas set perfectly to A3. From here, you can add text, images, and elements just like you normally would. Starting with the right dimensions saves you time later and makes sure your design prints cleanly without cropping or scaling issues. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up an A3 size design in Canva. A quick and simple step that makes your workflow more professional and print ready. Thanks for watching and happy designing.